Hi boys and girls, Vivian and I are going to read you a bedtime story tonight. This one's called The Bears in the Bed and the Great Big Storm by Paul Bright and Jane Chapman. Ready, Viv?
Me now.
You want to come up too?
Yeah.
All right, Evelyn has changed her mind and she is joining us. Say hi boys and girls.
Hi, boys and girls.
Good job. All right.
Now say boys and girls. It's me, Vivi.
Yep, it's Evelyn and Vivian tonight. You can both sit on Mama's lap. How the wind blew. It howled in the treetops so that the branches bent and creaked and the leaves shivered and shook. It blew over the hills and the high places, howling and wailing through the rocky... What happened? Through the rocky passes. Bear and Mrs. Bear slept. Vivian's being a little naughty right now, and I will continue the story with you in a moment. Okay, we're back. Can you tell the boys and girls what happened to Vivian?
We went to bed.
She went to bed, so we're going to try again. So again, this is The Bears in the Bed.
Sorry.
Thank you. We use nice hands. Okay. And the Great Big Storm. Are we going to read the story nicely?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit on Mama's lap. Sit on Mama's lap.
I don't have earrings on.
Nope, I don't have earrings on.
No. Don't. They have earrings on. I don't have my earrings on. I don't have earrings on.
That's because we're getting ready for bed. And your pretend earrings are packed away.
Where's it?
Are you ready to read the bear story? Okay, boys and girls, it's down to just you and me. The Bears in the Bed and the Great Big Storm. Tonight's a really windy night, so I thought it would be a good night for this story. How the wind blew. It howled in the treetops so that the branches bent and creaked and the leaves shivered and shook. It blew over the hills and the high places, howling and wailing through the rocky passes. Bear and Mrs. Bear slept warm and snug and untroubled in their bed. Then Bear felt a tugging at his blanket. He opened one eye. There was Baby Bear. There's a monster outside. I can hear it howling and wailing, and I'm scared. Can I sleep in your bed? There's no such thing as monsters, said Bear. What a scaredy bear you are. But he pulled back the cover, and Baby Bear snuggled up, warm and safe. How the thunder crashed! It boomed and crackled so the house shuddered and the windows rattled. It grumbled and rumbled and echoed and faded, only to boom and crash again. Mrs. Bear and Baby Bear slept warm and snug and untroubled in their bed. But Bear lay awake with his paws over his ears. Then Bear felt a tapping on his shoulder. There was Little Bear. There's a monster outside. Its tummy is rumbling and grumbling like it's going to eat me. Can I sleep with you? There's no such thing as monsters, said Bear. You're another scaredy bear. But he lifted the cover and Little Bear snuggled up, warm and safe. How the lightning flashed! It forked and flickered, lighting the scurrying clouds and splashing quick black shadows on the windows and the walls. Mrs. Bear and Baby Bear and Little Bear slept warm and snug and untroubled in their bed, but Bear lay awake with his pillow wrapped around his head. Then Bear felt a tap on his nose. It was Young Bear. "There's a monster outside. It has huge twisted horns, and it's making shadows on my wall. Can I come and sleep in your bed?" "There's no such thing as monsters," cried Bear. But he let Young Bear climb into the bed, where he snuggled up warm and safe. Now Bear was wide awake. He listened to the wind howling and the thunder crashing. He watched the lightning fork and flash. Young Bear's right, he thought. The shadows on the wall do look like monster horns. And he pulled up the bed covers right over his head. Suddenly, there was a rat-tat-tat at the door. Everybody woke at once. "Who can that be?" said Bear. "It's probably nothing at all," said Mrs. Bear. "Go and see." And she gave Bear a little push. Bear climbed nervously out of the bed. He picked up a candle to light his way and padded slowly, ever so slowly, to the door. "You're all such scaredy bears," he said to the others. "There's no such thing as monsters." As he turned the handle, the wind blew the door open. The candle went out, and everything was black as black. Then the lightning flashed. Who is it, Evelyn? Who is it? "A monster!" shouted Bear. He jumped back in fright and dived straight under the bed. "It's not a monster, it's a moose," said Moose, stepping through the doorway. Where's Bear? She pointed to the bear. "The storm has blown my house away. Can I sleep in yours?" Where's Baby Bear? Yep. And where's Mama Bear?
That's a daddy.
And that's the Daddy Bear.
He's on the floor.
Let's see what happens. Bear peered out from under the bed. Baby Bear and Little Bear and Young Bear laughed and laughed and laughed. "What a scaredy bear you are," they said. "Don't you know there's no such thing as monsters?"
There's a baby.
Show me what a bear does.
Wow.
Roar.
Those.
Who's who? Tell everybody. Where's Daddy Bear? I think Daddy Bear is actually being the scaredy one down here.
What happened?
Where's Mama Bear? Yep. Where's Little Bear? And Young Bear? And Baby Bear? Where's Moose? He just needs a place to sleep tonight.
Look.
What's that?
A baby. A baby chick.
Like a little baby chick?
Good night, boys and girls.
I'm glad you came for the end of the story.